Tell us about Ocean Oracle.
Well, Ocean Oracle is actually a kit, and it comes with a couple of components. One is a companion book to explain the meanings of all the shells, so that's the educational aspect of this kit. But in addition to that, there are 200 cards. So it would be as if someone had 200 shells before them, and they're from all over the world.
And that would be like those cards we see on display here?
Exactly. These are the cards that you would
they
find.
They look almost like a deck of playing cards or flashcards.
Very similar.
Yeah.
And I also, because there's 200, I included sort of an overview sheet so that you can have at first a look at all the shells.
Okay.
There's actually 2 sheets, and you have to look on both sides, and you'll get 200.
Okay. And do they, on there, they have numbers, and so that
yes.
corresponds to the explanations.
To the deck, so that if you're drawn to a particular shell, if you look at the number, all you do is find the card with the matching number. And the meanings are on the backs of the card, so you don't have to memorize anything. But the purpose of the book is if you say, why does she say that has that meaning? The book will explain, because the meanings come from the behaviors of the animals who make the shells, and some people aren't aware that actually any shell you ever see was made by an animal.